What you doing? What you doing? Yes. Illumicrate's March box is here on April the 1st. So, should we open this up? You excited? Okay. What's in here? Oh, sorry. Almost hit you, didn't it? So you're not that interested. Okay, let's open up. Okay, so this is a kind of Greek mythology theme. Yeah. So, oh, here is the teapot. This is kind of the whole reason I got the box. I was like, ooh, teapot. Let's get this. So I'll put the phone down and open this up. Yeah, excited. Okay, here it is. Yes, here it is. And it's gorgeous. You see that? It's very gold. Let's try to see the back. You like it? So, just try to focus a little more. Oh no, you can see me. Hi. Just a little pink blur. Yeah, I love this. Yeah, we love it. My only thing is it's pretty tiny. You can see that's like my hand. It's basically a mug. But if you saw the teacups, they were like this, so we're in a good scratch, aren't we? Okay. See, I'm pretty happy with this. We're getting the box. Little itch. You like this? Is that a chip? Oh no. Okay, that's sad. Sorry, you can. Unfortunately, mine was chipped. That is. Oh wait, is it? I don't know. There's some sort of mark of mine, which is sad. We'll just put it like that so you don't see. So yeah, pretty. The next thing. Is this the book pot? Okay, I will put phone down and open it. Okay, here it is. I wasn't expecting orange, so I'm not too sure about this. I think the pattern's pretty. I'm just not liking the orange personally. Someone or everyone else might love it, but very Greek themed though. I love it, but just not the orange. So yeah, this is probably one I won't keep, but cool. What do you think? You like this one? Okay. But I'm sorry, I will not keep it for you. Okay. Next thing. What is this? Okay. Why are you there? I want to focus on you. She's gonna get scared of this. Oh, it's a cute little bag. Oh, cool! I really love the pattern. It's really cute. I really like this. Oh no, what is she doing on the bed? I'm trying to film a video. Okay, sorry about dog noises in the background now. Roxy. Okay, well, let's ignore that. Try to ignore it. So yeah, I really like this. It feels quite Roxy. It feels quite plasticky though. But I think this would make a good like makeup bag or something. No, I like that. Is it supposed to be a makeup bag? Let's see. I don't want to look too much into this. Oh, it's a lunch bag. Okay, that kind of makes sense. That's pretty cool actually. Yeah, chocolate, yes. Right in the pillow. Under the covers. Hi. What are you doing? Crazy doggy. Okay. Oh, stickers. I think I just saw a spoiler and forgot immediately. Those are really cool. I really like the designs I know the artist has done something else before and I hadn't read the book, so. But I like all these. Love it. Look at Al. He's really cute. Okay, so we're onto the book, and I hate them doing this bubble wrap now. I saw they're officially stopping the bags, and I just think it ruins the surprise. Like, I don't know, please put it in tissue paper or something. But yeah, we'll look in. So yeah, spoilers. This is a redesign, and wow, it's looking gorgeous actually. And the bubble wrap's even harder to get into than the bags, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down. Sorry. So here we are. It's stunning, like really. Wow. I didn't expect it to be so like golden. It's really gorgeous. And on the back. Oh, whoa! The end paper. Is this signed as well? Let me see. Yeah, so it's not like a digital. It's actually signed. Look at that! Whoa! You know, I wasn't. You know, I said I got the whole box for basically the teapot. And I wasn't sure. I was like, should I? I'll just go for it. But this could be one of my favourite books Illumicrate's done. It's just gorgeous. Is there anything else kind of? Ooh, even that's like beautiful. Like I know it's the same as that, but to be on the other side as well. Let's see the. Ooh. Like even to have something on the side. Oh, whoa. It's gorgeous. Oh, look at that little birdie. Same thing, the back. Same thing. This side. Okay. So it's just a quote. Still really cool. Like, wow. I wasn't actually sure about reading this book. I know it's not got great reviews, but I think I'm gonna have to keep this and read it and enjoy it. It's just beautiful. Wow, so I think this has definitely been all worth it. Yeah, I hope it was worth watching for me ranting away and my dog going crazy. See you next time.